Since it stopped raining here for a moment, I thought maybe a quick video tour of our progress would really show you what's going on. First of all, evidence that it's a construction site. Yeah. Okay, so I have to kind of watch my feet here because the ground is a little rough from all the excavating. How about that? There's a little bit of sunshine. So this is what happened this week. They're cutting out for the garage and shop, which will be somewhat underground. And so, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like a meteor was dropped. Or a bomb. That's quite a hole. Look at that. Would you look at that? The guys. In the box across the gully. They'll probably pour concrete on the walls this week. Look at the water. But once again, there's that hole. My gosh. I'd kill myself if I fell off that. Say bye.